What's up, y'all? How you guys doing? Good evening, good morning, good night. Whenever you watching this, we're about to get into the SUNY video. This is how you do your SUNY, and I hope it's gonna take like 40, 45 minutes or 30 minutes. Let's see. You're gonna click come to SUNY.edu and you're gonna click on apply. You're gonna go click on apply SUNY, and then you're gonna either create a new user right here or you're gonna log in. Once you do that, then it's gonna bring you to this, right? Then we go click on start my application. First thing is everybody is a freshman. You're not no sophomore, you're not no senior, you're a freshman full time. You're not an adult learner. And then you're gonna click yes for EOP because that's that free money. We do not say no to free money, okay? You're gonna click yes and continue. Just trust me. Yes. Free money. You don't say no to no free money. Okay. Save and continue. Now your name and stuff is gonna thank you to, you know what? So you're gonna put your first name. Let's say your name is John. And then you're gonna put your last name. Let's say your last name is Doe, John Doe. Okay. And then if you got no name under another another alias, most of y'all don't. 99.99% of y'all do not have another name under another name. So put no. Then you're going to put your social. Please make sure it's the right social and please make sure your name is correct, okay? Your date of birth is correct. And then you're going to put your address. You guys know, don't be looking at my address now. You guys know exactly what to put. For your address, okay? Once you do that, you're gonna put no for temporary address and then save. Oh, it's not gonna let me go on. God always got me, okay? So you're gonna put your phone number. Once you do that, you're gonna do save and next. Yes, you a citizen. If you're not, you're gonna put no. And then you're gonna email me and let me know, hey, Mr. Ebro, I am not a citizen and I need more money. And I'll get you that money because there's programs for you out there. Boogie down. Yes, and then you're going to put yes, and you're going to basically put the borough or county that you in. Everything is the same except for Brooklyn. Brooklyn is Kings County. Here you're going to put no unless you ever been in foster care. You're going to put no for AmeriCorps. And then you're going to answer if you're Hispanic or not. I don't know what kind of Hispanic that man is. And then, yes, what English do you speak at home? And no, you've never been expelled. Here, you're going to put how much your parents make. You're going to go home and you're going to be like, Ma, how much did you make in 2023, Mom? And they're going to tell you a number and you're going to put the range that you fall in. This is crucial, y'all. This is like one of the most important parts of the SUNY application, right? So please listen to the words that's coming out of my mouth, right? Go home, ask your parents how much they made in 2023 on their 1040 taxes. And if they basically made 0 to 27, that's what you're going to put. And then the next question is going to ask you how many people live in a household, including you. So if there's 5 people in the household, including you, you're going to put 5. So this is for EOP. EOP is basically like a full ride, right? Close to a full ride. And to know if you qualify for EOP, you need to type in SUNY profile 2024 because we're in the year 2024. And you're going to look at this income guideline eligibility, right? So if there's 5 people in your household, they need to make less than 67,673. If they make less than that, then you qualify for EOP, right? So that's what you guys have to do. If your parents, you got to ask your parents also, are they on their taxes? Do they file as married or file as head of household or separate? Ask them those questions because those questions will determine if you're going to get a full ride from Good Vibes or not. Okay? Cool. And then parent one is whom you're going to be mostly with unless you married or they're married, then you're going to put both parents. But if it's only had a household on the taxes, just put one parent. Comprende? Okay. All right. Then you're going to fill that out and then you're going to do save and continue. This portion is basically saying, do you have any brothers or sisters that graduated from a SUNY school? They have to have graduated, okay? If not, you're not going to put nothing. Here is going to be your CEEB code. If you don't know the CEB code, you could just skip it and put your high school name. But for demonstration, this is for if anybody from Bronx High School for visual arts is watching this. Your CEB code is 330557. Okay. And then select. And then you're going to put your counselor's name. Your counselor's name, you should know who your counselor is. If you don't know, go to your email and put in your counselor name because you're going to need to know your counselor's name. I can't help you with that, right? So you're going to go to your email, you're going to put in their email, and that's how you're going to find out what their first name, what their last name, and what their email is. And then you're going to put in your OSIS number. After that, I will graduate. You graduate if you're watching this in 2024, you graduating in 2025. And yes, and if you're taking any AP classes, you're going to put that in. If not, you're going to skip it. If you're taking college courses taught in the high school, you're going to put that. If not, save and continue. Here, you're going to add all the classes that you currently taking, right? So if you take in English, you're going to type in English, capital, sorry, yeah. And then you're going to put if it's regular or standard or if it's an AP class.